Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, can you tell that I'm feeling myself? Come on, Bob. It's about her. Do you like, are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Before, isn't she giving you all types of sophistication? Like, I mean, she is so cute. This is like gonna be my favorite for a long time. I'm kind of obsessed with lobs, okay? Because lobs scream sophistication. They scream boss lady, okay? They scream independent, you know what I'm saying? They scream she got coins and all of that, you get me? So I'm feeling some type of a way, all right? I love this wig, it is beautiful. So today's video is a wig revamp, okay? So you're gonna see how the wig looked initially. I think it was originally like a 16 or 14 inch, you know, didn't really have much of a definition, kind of flat, it was straight. So basically what I did to it was I gave it a blunt cut, put some curls in it, tweezed the front a bit more to make it look a bit more realistic, and yeah. And then I put some hairspray in it to give it body. So it's giving me everything that I wanted it to give me. I was gonna put some like baby hairs or whatever, but it's a closure, and I don't know. I don't think that that's necessary right about now. I think this is cute, and I think this is perfect for me. All right, so I'm gonna stop rambling, and we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, honey, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.